Hello parents, welcome back to our Cool Beans Learning Station. Today we are going to be making what I like to call addition stew. You may be asking, what is addition stew? Addition stew is just a fun math activity that gets your little ones feeling like they're cooking while at the same time learning. So if your little one is anything like mine, they're always trying to get in the kitchen with you to cook. So I feel like this would be a good activity to introduce them to some of the components of addition. For instance, we have our addition sign, which we use when we're adding two groups of something together, two or more groups of something together. And then we have our equal sign. And our equal sign just tells us what do we have all together. What do we have once we count out those groups? What is everything and all? All right, so for any good addition stew, you need a couple of ingredients. You need numbers as well as fruits and vegetables. So let's pour it into our big mixing bowl. Pour it in, pour it in, pour it in. Don't get stuck. All right. And then give it a nice fun stir, which of course your children will love to do the most because who doesn't like to stir things up? And then give it a whiff. Do you smell those ingredients all blending together? Make it fun, parents. All right, the next thing we need is our tongs. We need our tongs. Our tongs are great for fine motor development. And your fine motor skills are those tiny, tiny muscles within your fingers and those other kind of muscles that you need for the tiny movements. All right, so let's begin. What numbers should we add together first? I think a 3. What number is this, guys? Everybody say 3. I think a 3 would be really tasty for our addition stew. 3 plus what? Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Oh, 3 plus 1. Can you all say 1? And now let's count out. We need our very, very special herbs to add into our stew. So let's pour them out. Let's get our herbs say. These are the parts that we have to add for our addition stew. Get out of there, herbs. Sometimes you have to take your finger and pull them out. They want to stay in there. They're stuck sometimes. All right, that should be good. So can you guys help me count out 3 plus 1? Encourage your children to count along with you. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus how many? That's right, 1. 1. So 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. It equals 4. That means we have 4 in all. Very, very good. Let's move on to our next one. Put your ingredients back in there. Sprinkle in your herbs. There you go. Give it a good stir. Put that 4 back. We don't need him out right now. And let's see what we can pull out next. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Oh, we have our number 4. What number is this, my friends? That's right, number 4. 4 plus, let's see. 4 plus, 4 plus what? Did you say 2? Yes, 4 plus our dripping 2. Our 2 is dripping stew. Let's see what that equals. Can you help me count it out, my friends? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or on that side, plus 1, 2. And then let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Very, very good. Let's put our herbs on top. Sprinkle them in. Put your numbers back in there. You never know when we're going to need them again. Remember, guys, keep them encouraged. Keep them having fun. Oh, somebody tried to jump out. Oh, I burned myself. All right, there you go. Stir, stir, stir. All right, how about this one? What number is that, my friends? That's right, that's our number 2. 2 plus, what number? 1. 2 plus 1 equals, let's count them out. 1, 2, plus how many on this side? 1 equals 1, 2, 3. Can we pull over our number 3? Very good. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Throw in your seasoning. Can we do one more together? All right, one more time. Give it a nice big stir. There you go, there you go, there you go. All right, what number shall we pull out? Can we say 3? What number is that? That's right, that's our number 3 plus, it's so hot. 3 plus what? 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0. We haven't used our 0 yet. What does 0 mean? 0 means none. 0 means that we don't have any to add to that side. So, let's pull out our three balls. 1, count with me. 2, 3 plus 0, which means none on that side. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 0 equals 3. All right, guys. Let's sprinkle in our last herbs and spices. Let's stir up. Let's put in our last few numbers. Bye bye 3. Bye bye 0. Put this 3 back. Stir it up. Let's give it a good taste. I want to taste this pepper and this number 4. That is so delicious. Thank you guys so much for making addition stew with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Cool Beans out.